Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today let us start the concept of triangle. 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 Name itself says the definition of triangle is simple closed figure formed by three line segments. Three line segments is called a triangle. Is called a triangle. So three line segments means, already I told you, line segment means ending with two ends. Two end points will be there. So they are meeting at one corner. The corners are said to be vertices. The corners are said to be vertices, right? So where they are meeting, the three line segments, where they are meeting at corners, they are called vertices. A comma B comma C are vertices. Vertices. Or simply we say vertex, singular. Vertex is singular, vertices plural. Okay. What are the line segments here? AB, BC, CA are called line segments. Okay, line segments. So it is formed by three line segments. That is why it is called a triangle. So three angles are also there. What are the three angles there? Angle A, angle B, angle C. They are angles of triangle. Angles of a triangle. Understand? Okay. These are the parts of triangle. If you add all the line segments like AB plus BC plus CA is called perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. The sum of all the sides together, AB plus BC plus CA, if you add all the three sides, that is called the perimeter of triangle. They are line segments, are also called sides. Sides of the triangle. Three sides will be there for a triangle. And one important property, angle sum property, is a very important angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. That is, sum of, how many angles we have? Three angles. Sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees or two right angles. Two right angles. The sum of angles of a triangle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C together, always we have 180 degrees. It's a very, very important property. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Cannot be less than 180 or cannot be more than 180, right? That exactly it is 180 degrees. Okay. One more property, very important property. The sum of any two sides. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than or more than greater than the third side. If you add two sides, any two sides like AB plus BC will be greater than AC. For example, that is AB plus BC if I add, we will get more than AC. Or if you add BC plus AC will be greater than AB. Or if I add AC plus AB is greater than BC. Automatically the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, that is one concept. Similarly, difference also we can say. I'll write that also. So very important concepts. Learn perfectly, listen perfectly. Okay. The difference between any two sides of a triangle difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Less than the third side. That means AB minus BC will be less than AC because we are subtracting now sides, so that is AC. Similarly, BC minus AC will be less than AB, or you can take BC minus AC, AB minus AC. AB minus AC is less than BC. Okay? As sum is greater than the third side, difference is less than the third side. Okay? Remember this concept. Now, what are the types of triangles? I will tell you. What are the types of triangles? Types of triangles. Types of triangles. So, according to lengths of sides, according to sides and according to angles, we have three types. According to sides, first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. According to sides, three types are there. First one is equilateral, second one is scalene triangle, third one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, according to sides we have three types. According to angles also we have three types. That is acute angled triangle, second one is obtuse angled triangle, third one is right angled triangle. So according to sides three types, according to angles three types. Let us see one by one now. Okay. First let us see about sides. According to sides, how many types I told you? Three types. First one is equilateral triangle. First let us see. First one is equilateral triangle. Okay. First one is equilateral triangle. A triangle with all its sides are equal. All its sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Is called an equilateral triangle, right? That means all sides must be equal, like this. In a triangle ABC, we have all the three sides are equal. In triangle ABC, AB equal to BC equal to CA. All the sides are equal. For example, this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm, then this is also 5 cm. All the sides are equal, right? And what about each angle of equilateral triangle? 60 degrees. Angles are also equal. So angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to 60. Why it is 60 each angle? Because sum of three angles is equal to 360 degrees, right? So 60 plus 60 plus 60 together we have 180 degrees. Since it is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal as well as all angles are also equal, right? Second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Name itself says isosceles means any two sides are equal. Equilateral means all the sides are equal, but isosceles means two sides are equal. A triangle with at least two sides equal. At least two sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal. For example, like this. A, B, C. I can take these two sides are equal, or you can take these two sides are equal, or any two sides are equal. That is called an isosceles triangle, right? And here in triangle ABC, it's a very important property. I said AB equal to AC, right? Here, if these two sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. That means angle B equal to angle C, I can write. It's a very, very important property. In an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. Remember that. Third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means no two sides are equal. Equilateral means all the three sides are equal. Isosceles means any two sides are equal. But scalene means no two sides are equal. Okay. If the three sides of a triangle are unequal, if the three sides of a triangle are unequal, the triangle is called a scalene triangle. Clear? That means no two sides are equal here. All the sides are different. A, B, C, like 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. All the three sides are different. Angles are also different. Okay? That we will see later. That is about according to sides. Now let me explain according to angles also we have three types. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Right? Let me say those also. First one is acute angled triangle. According to angles we have three types. First one is acute angled triangle. Okay. Definition is, if each angle of a triangle is acute, if each angle of a triangle is acute, acute means already I told you less than 90, right? Less than 90 degrees. If each angle of a triangle is acute, it is called an acute angled triangle. An acute angled triangle, right? So each angle is acute. Acute means below 90 should be there. All the three angles should be less than 90. For example, this is 65, this is 45, this will be 70 degrees. 65 plus 45, 110 plus 70, together 180 degrees, right? All the three angles are less than 90 degrees. Second one is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle means exactly 190 degrees should be there. If one of the angles of a triangle is, if one of the angles of a triangle is 90 degrees, out of three angles one should be 90. Below, next remaining two angles should be less than 90 only. Exactly one angle should be 90, other two angles should be less than 90. If one of the angles of a triangle is 90 degrees, then it is called a right triangle or right angled triangle. Right triangle or right angled triangle. Okay. So this is the right angle triangle. Exactly 90 degrees should be there. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Straight should be there exactly. Drawn exactly straight. These two sides are called perpendicular sides. Perpendicular sides. The third side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The side is the longest side in the right angled triangle, right? Longest side in the right triangle is hypotenuse. Okay? If angle B equal to 90, suppose this is 90 now, then sum of other two angles should be 90 degrees, right? Why? Because sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Since one angle is 90 degrees, sum of other two angles should be 90 degrees. Okay? Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle means above 90 should be there one angle. One of the three angles should be above 90. If an angle of a triangle is, if an angle of a triangle is if an angle of a triangle is obtuse, means more than 90 degrees, more than 90 degrees, the triangle is called an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, exactly one angle should be what? Exactly one angle should be more than 90 degrees. So like this. Suppose this is 110 degrees. Okay, more than 90, no, this side. Okay, for example, this is 50, I can take. This may be 20 degrees. Because together 180 should be there, right? Suppose if you want to draw this side, it becomes like this. This may be 120 degrees. More than 90 you should take 40. If it is 120 plus 40, 160. This can I take 20. Okay. So this is A, B, C. So obtuse angled triangle, right? So according to sides we have three types. According to angles three types. According to sides, what did I tell you? Equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. According to angles, we have three types of triangles. They are acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Acute angled triangle means out of three angles, every angle should be less than 90 degrees. That is called acute angled triangle. Right means exactly one angle should be 90, other two angles can be acute, means below 90. Right? The side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is the longest side of right angled triangle. Right? Obtuse angled triangle means any one of the three angles can be obtuse, means above 90. Remaining two angles should be acute. Okay? If obtuse angle is this side, triangle is like this. If the obtuse angle is right side, and triangle will be like this. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.